Hey everybody, it's Sal Pierre. I'm the founder of Satellite Writer, and I'm here with my business partner and co-founder, Alex Athey.
Hey everyone.
And we're super excited. Version 6.0, year and a half in the making, and thousands of you with feedback and kind of watching how you interact with the platform. We've made tons of UI changes, all to improve the quality and improve kind of your navigation through the site and your experience overall. We also added some great features, which I'm going to let Alex cover.
And without further ado, let's head on over to the playground. So the first thing you're going to notice once it loads here is our basic mode. As of all users of our Surveyor plan will have access to our two best AI skills, of which we have Chat AI, which is powered by ChatGPT. It lets you talk to AI in a very human-like manner and get to do just about anything you can think of in text. And you also have our Image AI, powered by DALL-E, which lets you get pictures of a huge variety of different formats, styles, etc. Now, if you happen to have one of our premium plans, you can use this toggle to the top left there that puts you in expert mode. In expert mode, we have more tailored skills for specific use cases. These skills are designed to get you a very specific type of output, which can be sometimes more useful than trying to go through the chat skill and hammer down on it yourself. But let's keep things simple and let's just go use the chat skill. And going in here, you can speak about again, it's almost like you had a virtual assistant. You would say, go write a letter thanking grandmother for a gift. But we're gonna do one of my favorites. Let's ask it to write a pop song about whales and dolphins. And you would just go ahead and put that into the prompt box on the left. Then you'll hit generate. And
also speak it, which is great. And for all our skills, you'll see on the right-hand side, you have a how-to section, which will give you examples and tell you how the skill works. We're just generating away.
And just gotta give it a few seconds here while the AI furiously works. And here we go. So we've got ourselves some verses. We've got a chorus, whales and dolphins in the deep blue sea. Now you can see you get 3 output windows. You can click on each of these and skim through and see which one you like the best. To help you in your choice, we also have stats. If you scroll down a little bit there, you'll see now in the middle of the page, middle left, you can see the word count, the Flesch-Kincaid reading ease, the Flesch-Kincaid grade level. Note songs kind of throw those stats out. They're made for books and articles, not songs, but they can be useful to eyeball if the content is going to be suitable for a certain reading level, like if you had a blog or whatnot. Now, let's say you also wanted to hear the AI sing the song to you. You would click on that audio right there, and it's going to go translate it. In a second, we're going to see a media player pop up and start going through it. Now, sometimes the AI voice doesn't have a very good sing-song cadence. That's, again, a case where I'd recommend you do with articles. But you can use this now to get audio for all 3 of your outputs, and then you're going to find your favorite one, and you can finalize. Before you do that, let me just show you a few other things. We've got our recommended skills at the bottom. These are skills that we think would chain well for the same input you would use with the original skill. You can also expand if you want to ask the AI to take what it has already got there and add more to it. Basically say, I like this song, see what you can do with it. But for now, let's just finalize and head on over to the editor. Now this is our editor window. You can see on the left-hand side, which have a no doubt familiar interface, all the usual word processing tools you can use there for formatting it, getting it ready for putting it into a website, for putting it into a Word document. In fact, if you were to do a download, which you can see we got a download button right there, the download will give you a zip file with a Word document, a PDF, and a text file. You can use this to get an HTML format so you can put it in, wherever you want. The other one I'm going to show you too is our suggestions box on the right there, which unfortunately, I was about to point to a suggestion. I see we don't actually have any because apparently this whale song came through normally, but it will make suggestions to you that'll help make the prose better, which can help sometimes if the AI kind of goes off in an unusual direction. And the other one you have too there, we have ability to do a plagiarism check, where we power by Copyscape, where it will contact their server and it will verify that you won't be there's no matches in the World Wide Web for it. You can then open that and see for yourself if you like. And then the last one I'm going to show you here, you can see our friendly audio button up there in the top right. Same one as what you had before. In fact, if you already made audio, it should be almost instantaneous because it'll load the same audio it already generated. And let me see, I think we got one more thing here. Oh yeah, reload. Let's say you wanted to quickly head over and do regenerate your skill. You would hit that, it takes you right back to the prompt box. But meantime, let's have a look at the archives. Everything you generate goes into here. So you've got a table of options here. You can filter by the skill that was used to generate it. You can type in keywords to try to find your content based off that. You can set a date range. And then for every content there, you've got 3 buttons. One, you have an editor there. That takes you right back to the editor you just saw with the same features. Middle one, you can download the zip file with all those file formats I was telling you about. And the last one is if you want to delete your content from the archives. The other one we have too is our image gallery, which I suppose we should feed by doing an image first, or we can just do that. That's cool too. So if you take a look here then, same format as the archives. Search box, you've got a date range. And you can go through all the artwork you've had the AI do. Like for example, look at this robot holding a 6.0 sign to celebrate our user interface 6.0 launch there. And this box will let you make your image public. If you want to share it, you can then get a link, you can email it, you can post it online. You can always download as well. And of course, if you change your mind later on and you want to make it private again, there you go, you can put it right there. By default, all of your content is private. It's entirely up to you if you want to share it with the wider world.
So thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.